Okay, so now I'm live. Oops, technical difficulty. Okie dokie. Okay, it's holding this level here. It closed above it. It's in the middle. I'm not going to get in. No. Okay. It's in the middle. I'm not going to get in. So this is my open range high and my open range low, which I call it my trigger high and my trigger low. Okay. So it closed above it. And it's right at the support here, which is my weekly high, all-time high from the past in June. 6 weeks ago. Okay, so coin's doing pretty good. Coin is above it. Okay, so I see coin. So I'm going to see coin it breaks pre-market high. NVDA is in the zone. Okay. Oh, Meta's doing good too. Okay, Meta's above it. NVIDIA. Okay, let's see if NVIDIA breaks pre-market high. Okay, we have like 2 minutes to go. Two minutes to go. I'm looking for these reactions on top of the target high. See if there's any reactions. Because there was a... Just waiting for it to close above it. Let's see if NVIDIA closes above pre-market high. Okay, we have 30 seconds to go. Have to be careful. I like the ES. The only thing is just be careful up here on the Tuesday's high. 55. Okay, let's see if it pulls back. Okay, let's see if it pulls back. Okay, so pull back. It closed above it. I'm going to buy it.
Order filled.
Okay, so I bought it there. Just be careful on the top.
Order filled.
Wow. Well, it was a quick scalp right there. Just had to be careful on the yesterday's, which I call this red line yesterday's high, which is Tuesday's high, which is right here, Tuesday's high. Oh, okay. Coin. Okie dokie. So let's see. That was a quick scalp. We have the 9 o'clock news also. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. So Meta is the number one right now. Meta's pretty good right now. It's rallying up. Okay, so I have coin. Okay, do like NQ also. Just got to be careful because NVDA has some resistance on top of that candle, that the first 5-minute candle. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to change it here. Tesla. Okay. Okay. I just want to see what happens here because of the this high here. The 58.80 high there. It did close above it, but it's just right there, right at resistance. So right now I have resistance right there. Let's see how it closes. I do like Coinbase. I do like Coinbase. Let's see what happens in this 9 o'clock candle because there is news. There it is. 9 o'clock. Okay, there's a 9 o'clock news. Pull back. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. I do like, okay, NVIDIA, it's all the candles close above pre-market high, so it's bullish. But I do see the wicks coming in. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the QQQ is right at resistance at the weekly low. And of course, the SPY is right at Tuesday's high. So it needs to break this on SPY. So they're right at Tuesday's high. There's some resistance up here. Resistance and resistance right now. But it could break. NVIDIA strong. Okay, so it's holding this trigger candle high. And then, of course, from this close to there. Okay, so there's some resistance in the ES and SPY. It's pulling back. Okay. These will be quick scalps. Okay. I see some wicks on top. I see some. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Okay, there goes NVIDIA. Okay. Okay, I don't know what NVIDIA is going to do with this target. Is it going to break it or reaction? Let's check it out. Okay, so we have. Okay. It's a very good candle there. Okay, so I want to see how it reacts here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it's breaking the pre-market. It's breaking, QQQ is breaking the low, the weekly low. And the SPY is breaking Tuesday's high. Okay, there goes NVIDIA. Okay. I'm not interested until it breaks and retests yesterday's high, which is Tuesday's high. Ugly flagpole there. Ugly flagpole. Looks like a pin bar. There's a little pin bar there. Okay. I don't like the way it looks. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, what time is it? We have less than 2 minutes for the candle to close, the 5-minute candle to close. Okay, so I have less than a minute. Okay. That's an ugly rejection candle in NVIDIA. Okay, let's see what happens here. And the ES. I do like SPY. I gotta see how NVIDIA closes, if it closes above the trigger candle. Okay, we have 15 seconds to go. Okay, it's closing below it. Nope. I'm not gonna get that. No, 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 no. Let's see if there are any pullbacks here in the trigger candle. Close below, it closed below. No, no. I'm not interested. Okay, there goes the ES. There goes SPY. And there goes NQ. Just needs to close above it. Okay. Okay, so coin, I like coin too. Push back, pull back, pull back. It's kind of hard to get. Okay, it's kind of hard to get SPY because I need to close yesterday's daily candle, which Tuesday's daily candle needs to close above that. NVDA is right at the tip. Okay. 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 NVIDIA looks bullish. But I need to wait for that candle close. We have less than 2 minutes to go. Nope, I do not want it. I cannot get into this one. NQ because it's not on my lines down here. The ES has to close above it. NVIDIA. Just oof. Okay, we have 45 seconds to go. I do like SPY. It's closes above. It's your target would be like pre-market high. But let's see where it closes. See where there's 10-minute kind of closes. Oh. I still don't like. Did it close below above? No. No, it didn't close above. Okay, so it didn't close above. I'm not going to get it. It could go without me. I'm not going to get it. Tesla did not close. A no-go. There's some reaction up here. And Q is holding. Oh, the QQQ is holding. Okay, the QQQ is holding. Right, the QQQ is holding. Okay. Okay, so Google rejected yesterday's low, which is Tuesday's high. So it rejected the highs of Tuesday's highs. It seems like NVDA is rejecting also the highs, Tuesday's highs. Okay, darn. Okay, so that was a good put there. Okay. So we see these highs up here. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens to the close. So it's rejecting these Tuesday's high. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Remove drawing. Okay, so it's rejecting. Okay, so it's above the trigger candle. And NVIDIA's right below it. Okay. Okay, so it's rejecting these here. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, it had rejections up there. Okay, it's right at the VWAP. It touched the 9 EMA. But there is a level there too. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it went down. It couldn't. These highs up here. You can see all these wicks. Okay. Okay. Okay, the 10-minute did not close above it. Okay, let's see what happens here. I have this line there. Can't really tell. Let me put the line down here so I can see my 5-minute close. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Oof, there it goes. There it goes. Could have been pop up to resistance for leg down and the downtrend. Okay, so there's Tuesday's close. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. We have 2 minutes to go. Okay, so we have half a minute to go, or half a minute to go. These are quick scalps because they're right in between the VWAP. They're very choppy. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see, it didn't close below it. This one did. But usually I like for it to wait for the 10-minute to close. For this candle to close below it. It's like a no-go. No-go. And then I have NVDA holding the last week's weekly high. So it's right at the pre-market high. It closed below it, so no. Okay, let's see what happens here. Close below. I do not want to take that one. Okay, SPY's at the weekly low. It closed right below it. Oh, it's just oof. Oh. I like to wait for it to close. Okay, let's see. It couldn't continue higher. Okay, so the ES, I like the ES. If it could close below this 10-minute candle, we can close below it. Continue lower. It's rejecting the VWAP. We have a minute, less than a minute. It is rejecting the VWAP, but I just want to be a little safe. Okay. That was a good one. NVDA is in a very, it's in between the trigger high and low. It's in between there. You have 30 seconds to go. SPY. Okay. It's a very important level, this level here. Okay, it's holding this level here. It holds support here. NVDA did close below it. No. No. Did close below it. Okay. That was a chance to get into this one right here. It closed below it. It hit the 9 and then it went lower. Okay, so here we have yesterday's close. That could be your first target there. Okay. That was perfect there. Nice, nice, nice there. Okay, well, I didn't take it. That was a nice one right there. Okay, so it hit Tuesday's close. Just okay, I don't see anything. Okay, so we have less than 2 minutes again. Okay, so NVIDIA's fighting pre-market high. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, it's another one. It closed below it. Okay, so you have to wait until it closes below it. That one did close below it. Okay, so I'm just looking at it for it to close below. So I need to stop doing that, so I will. So I held support here. Held support. So NVIDIA is holding this level. Okay, so NVIDIA is holding. So NVIDIA is holding that level. Okay, so it's very choppy. It's right in the middle. Right in the middle of the VWAP. So indicates choppiness. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Choppiness. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, okay. Very choppy market right now. I just don't like NVIDIA. NVIDIA has lots of wicks. At the top right now and at the bottom. It has the wicks at the top, so we have less than 30 seconds to go. This is kind of, I'll do like NQ for a put. Let's see how this closes. This is already closed. The E is already closed below it, but it has some support down here. And NVIDIA is holding pre-market high. It's I do want to buy here, but oh god, so I'm glad I didn't. Like I said, NVIDIA is right at pre-market high. Okay, so let's see what happens. SPY closed below it. Could it retest it again? The trigger candle low. I don't see nothing that I like. I don't like nothing, honestly. Don't like nothing. Wow. Well, there were good ones. There were really good ones. You have to trust the levels. Just in and out. These are in and out ones due to the choppiness. Target would be here, pre-market. Pre-market's down here, so it would be here on yesterday's low, with Tuesday's low. Tuesday's low. Okie dokie. I think it's already 9:45. We've been here an hour and 20 minutes. There we go. Close right below it, the 10-minute. That was a good one right here. Trust the levels. And of course, your target would be right there. Target would be right there. Okay. Yeah. Spy. How many more minutes? We have 30 seconds to go. Just contracts, puts and puts, just in case. We don't know it's holding. Okay. It is very choppy. Very, very choppy. Okay, let's see what happens to this candle here. Okay. Very choppy. The NQ. Okay, so Okay, so I need to move these around. Okay, it's very choppy, very choppy. Okay, was right at the... Okay, so you gotta trust in the levels. Okay. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Could be holding this level here. Okay, I'll check out these. Check out all of these here. Remove drawings. Remove this and this. Okay. And also these here. These are... Okay. These are very quick. Very, very quick. It's holding... yesterday's close. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Here. It's going into the level again. Okay, it's going into the level again. Okay. It closed above it. Okay, so it closed above it. Okay, so it closed above it. Kind of hard to do it here. You touched. This is the 20 SMA. Touched it. Okay, so I touched the 20 SMA. 2040. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I just don't like to trade between these lines, but sometimes they do hold. Then it'll pull back. Okay. I just don't like to try these in between there. It has to fall in between the trigger high and the trigger low. And I will not buy anything because it just fails there. There goes NVDA. Down, 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 down. Well, it's very, very choppy. So it's 9:54 to see what happens here. I'll be getting off at 10 o'clock. It's very choppy. It's right in between, like I said, the VWAP. At this level, there's a lot of, in the weekly, this weekly high, there's a lot of support from other weeks. Okay, so that one closed above it, the 10-minute candle. I don't see nothing. Just pullbacks and to these levels. There's nothing. Coin looks good too. NVDA looks good. Oh, there it is. That's what I want. Let me move this way. And then move this that way. Number 9, I'm going to put here. Okay, I'm just moving these. I'm just fixing the chat. Okay, let's see what happens here. I don't see nothing. It's holding this level here, but it's in between my trigger candle high and my trigger candle low. So I don't want to trade in between there. It's holding this here, but and NVDA is also in between the trigger high, very near the trigger high. So I don't want to take a chance there. Microsoft is holding Tuesday's low. Okay, well, I need to fix it. I need to fix my lines. Okay, so I don't see anything. Just, it's very to not trade in between here. You do not want to trade in between this and this. It's very choppy in here. So I'll just put that there. It's very choppy in there. Okay. I have a minute. Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for being here. Oof. Everything looks really good. This looks good. That one looks good. 10-minute close. Ten-minute close. Okay, so okay, the ES closed below the low. It is very difficult. And since it's already 10, SPY put. It is difficult. Okay, so it's holding here. The NQ is holding. SPY. There it is. Levels matter. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that was... Okay, that was a play. Okay, well. They do matter. There it goes. Close below the 5 minute. Okay. Okay, if you got those, great. I missed it. Okay, well, let's see what happens on this 5 minute 10:05. Here's the weekly. There it goes. SPY. Okay, so there we go. Let's see, it bounces there. Okay, let's see. It bounced there. Okay, so it bounced there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock, so I'm going to be leaving. But thank you. I'll be here tomorrow.